Welcome to the best picks. The best magnetic lashes is probably one of the most exciting beauty innovations in recent years. Ditching the messy glue and embracing the ease of magnetic attraction, these lashes promise a flawless look in minutes. But with so many options flooding the market, how do you choose the perfect pair? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of magnetic lashes, exploring what makes a great set and helping you find your perfect match. Number 5. Luxillia Magnetic Eyelashes Kit. Tired of messy glue? These reusable magnetic eyelashes attach seamlessly without any glue or eyeliner. Enjoy the convenience of easy-to-apply magnetic lashes for a flawless look every time. These magnetic eyelashes are designed to provide a natural look, perfectly blending with your own lashes. They are ideal for everyday wear or special occasions. Get flawless lashes with our all-in-one kit. It features premium magnetic eyelashes, waterproof magnetic eyeliner, and an easy-to-use applicator. Achieve professional results effortlessly. Experience the longevity of these magnetic lashes. Crafted for multiple uses, they are a cost-effective and sustainable choice for enhancing your beauty routine. These magnetic lashes are gentle on your eyes and natural lashes. Enjoy the best magnetic eyelashes that offer both comfort and safety without compromising on style. What we like. This kit offers a completely glue-free application, making it super easy to apply. The natural look and feel of these lashes are perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to enhance your natural beauty, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These are the easiest lashes I have ever used. The curved tweezers help connect the lash to your lash line and they fit perfectly. You may have to trim them, but that is typical of all lashes. They give great volume and extra length, various lengths and volumes to choose from in one pack. The lashes themselves are of good quality and thick. The set includes magnetic lashes with a natural look, an applicator, and waterproof eyeliner, making it easy to apply without glue. The 8D and 3D lashes add volume and length while remaining lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. They are reusable and maintain their shape and magnetism over time. Number 4. Luxillia Magnetic Eyeliner and Lashes Kit. Tired of messy glue? This kit offers a revolutionary way to apply your lashes. It uses magnets for a secure and easy application, making your routine quicker and simpler. Achieve a naturally enhanced look with these lashes. They blend seamlessly with your own lashes, providing a fuller, more captivating appearance without looking artificial. These lashes are designed for multiple uses. With proper care, you can enjoy them again and again. It's a cost-effective and sustainable choice for your beauty routine. The included eyeliner is waterproof, ensuring your look stays flawless all day. It provides a strong base for the lashes and withstands various conditions. This kit includes 12 sets of lashes. Each set contains 24 round synthetic false lashes, giving you plenty of options for different occasions. You'll always have the perfect lashes. What we like. These lashes are designed to give you the most natural look. They are reusable, offering great value, and come with a waterproof black liquid eyeliner. If you are looking for a natural enhancement to your eyes, and want a long-lasting and reusable product, you should consider this. What people say. The liquid eyeliner was liquid. Exactly what you want. This is super buttery smooth, totally smooth liquid. The eyelashes looked really nice and natural and soft. And the 5 magnets are clutch. I did the hairdryer test and those suckers stayed put. Luxillia caught my eye because they are more realistic looking, not super flashy and more of an everyday look. The case is very sturdy and everything was neatly packaged inside. The eyelashes themselves feel pretty sturdily made, but are also very soft. Like so soft. Number 3. Kiss Crowd Pleaser Magnetic Lashes. Introducing a new way to lash. This set features magnetic lashes that attach to a special magnetic liner. It's easy to use and gives you a flawless look. Simply apply the magnetic eyeliner, and then place the lashes on. These lashes are wind-resistant and dermatologist tested. They can last up to 16 hours and be reused up to 15 times. These magnetic lashes cling to the magnetic eyeliner like magic. No glue is needed. Achieve lash perfection with these high-quality lashes, whether you prefer mascara or extensions. Kiss provides everything you need for a natural magnetic eyelash look. You can easily apply them at home. They come in various lengths and styles, with an applicator and magnetic eyeliner sold separately. Kiss magnetic eyelashes are available in multiple styles to match your mood. Choose from designs like Charm, Tempt, Tantalize, and Crowd Pleaser. Add them to your beauty collection today. What we like. These lashes feature strong magnets for a secure hold, and are wind resistant, so you don't have to worry about them budging. They can last up to 16 hours, perfect for a long day or night out. If you like a bold look that lasts, you should consider this. What people say. All you do is apply the magnetic eyeliner, do a thick line, cause the eyelashes magnet to it, and sit on top of your real lashes. They'll stay put all day. There's no messiness of glue involved, you simply put them onto your eyeliner and get on with your day. Number 2. Kiss Tempt Magnetic Lashes. This set features a pair of plush magnetic lashes that cling to magnetic liner. It's like using glue, but without the mess. Smudge-proof and dermatologist tested, these lashes can last up to 16 hours. First, apply the magnetic eyeliner along your lash line. Then, simply place the magnetic lashes on. These lashes are wind resistant and reusable up to 15 times. The liner is formulated without silicone, synthetic fragrances, and parabens. Like magic, these lashes cling to the magnetic eyeliner. No glue is needed. Whether you love mascara or lash extensions, you can achieve lash perfection with these high-quality lashes. Kiss has everything you need for an easy, natural magnetic eyelash look. You can achieve it at home with various lengths and styles. It includes a lash applicator and magnetic eyeliner, each sold separately. Kiss magnetic eyelashes are sold separately in a variety of styles to fit your every mood. They are available in 4 designs: Charm, Tempt, Tantalize, and Crowd Pleaser. Add them to your beauty collection today. What we like. These lashes feature strong magnets for a secure hold, and are wind resistant, so you don't have to worry about them budging. They can last up to 16 hours, perfect for a long day or night out. If you like a bold look that lasts, you should consider this. What people say. They are comfortable and light. The hold is amazing. Last night I forgot I had them on and went to bed with them, woke up and they were both still on and perfect. Number 1. QUEWEL Magnetic Lashes, Natural Look. Tired of messy glue and complicated application? These magnetic lashes are the perfect solution. They offer a natural look and are incredibly easy to apply. Forget about the hassle of traditional lashes. This innovative design uses magnets to securely attach to your lash line. It's a game changer for your makeup routine. These lashes are designed for multiple uses. With proper care, you can enjoy them again and again. They are a reliable choice for daily wear or special occasions. No glue is needed. The included applicator makes the process simple and quick. You can achieve a flawless look in minutes. These lashes provide a natural enhancement to your eyes. They blend seamlessly with your own lashes, giving you a beautiful, effortless look. Removing these lashes is just as easy as applying them. Simply gently pull them away from your lash line. It's a quick and painless process. What we like. These lashes provide a natural look, enhancing your eyes without being over the top. They are easy to wear and even easier to remove, saving you time and effort. If you are a beginner or someone who values simplicity, you should consider this. What people say. The lashes are easy to apply. The magnets are strong. The lashes look natural. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.